stack your money in a shining row. You can buy a house and a car to show. But when life hits hard and the lights go black, only one thing's gonna bring you back. Not the gold you save, not the watch you wear. It's the skill you built, the strength you bear. Cause the best investment you'll ever make is the power in your hands and the steps you take when the world falls down and you lose your luck. It's the way you stand, the way you stand back up. Money can fade and love can bend, but your own 2 feet are your greatest friend. You can lose a job, you can lose the pay. Banks close doors and bills don't wait. But if you know how to fix what breaks inside, you don't fear the storm, you don't need to hide. A man with skills is never broke. He can mend the cracks every time they show. Cause the best investment you'll ever make is your courage when you bend but never break. When the road turns rough and you're out of luck, it's the way you stand, the way you stand back up. Money might slip like water through your hand, but your will is wealth no one can demand. Love can fall apart when the nights get long. Passion can fade when the bond ain't strong. But if you know how to heal and try again, you can build a new life from where you've been. It's not who leaves, it's what you do and how you rebuild the heart in you. Yes, the best investment you'll ever find is the strength in your bones and your quiet mind. When the whole world shakes and you're out of luck, it's the way you stand, the way you stand back up. Riches can come and lovers can go, but a man who can rise is a man who will grow. So bet on your hands and bet on your soul. They're the things that stay in your control. Your best investment in this whole wide world is the way you live and the courage you hold.